when making a ring with an elongated feature, be that a stone or long design, are there little tricks for the band to ensure the feature bit runs straight, not on a slight angle?
A lot of people will put, have their, say, soldering block, and a lot of people will use perhaps a tri-square, and they'll just put like a groove along that way, and then they'll put a groove along that way. So then you've got your 90 degrees. So then when you come then to lay out your rectangular head, and you've got your ring shank here, and then you can put your rectangular head, you can lay out your soldering block. Yeah, and then you've got your soldering block. Here's your line going across this way on your soldering block. This is the ring, and then your head can be at 90 degrees. And then you can look down on top, make sure that your rectangular head is square, and then you can make sure then the ring is square, because on your soldering block you've got those lines, and you can look down and see exactly what's what.